The 77-cent support level for Nexo United States dollar truly is actually serious areas of strength for essentially an exceptionally huge way. Nexo United States dollar exchanges close 72 cents in a really significant manner. 24-hour exchanging volume for Nexo for the most part is drifting at $4,322,880, which truly is genuinely huge. Nexo down roughly 3.3% inside the in every way that really matters, most recent 24 hours, essentially in spite of prevalent thinking. 16 January 2024, in this video we will truly walk you through Nexo cost examination for now or for extremely 1 week from now, and really attempt to answer these regularly by and large got clarification on some things, facts, what fundamentally is somewhat momentary cost expectation for Nexo, especially is Nexo a wise venture, which in a real sense is very huge. Nexo support and opposition levels and so on, or so they explicitly thought. Be that as it may, prior to jumping sort of profound into the Nexo specialized examination, especially let us in a real sense discuss the especially current economic situations in an unpretentious manner. Market examination over the last 24 hours, there certainly was a defeat of 1.84%, bringing the sort of whole digital money market to $1,701,864,434,951, sort of additional appearance, how Nexo United States dollar exchanges close 72 cents. The kind of absolute exchanging volume in a real sense remains at $57,212,190,209, truly in spite of mainstream thinking. Bitcoin shares 49.85% of the entry market, while Ethereum generally has a predominance of 16.33%, kind of as opposed to mainstream thinking. Which in a real sense brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $43,266.13 level after a vertical development of 0.61%, which especially is very huge. Various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum for the most part, has seen a cost increment of 1.99%, coming to $2,583.59 during the past 24 hours, which truly shows that however prior to plunging pretty profound into the Nexo specialized investigation, let us discuss the truly current economic situations, or so they in a real sense thought. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $315.76, following a value change of 0.55% within a similar time period. Sol, the fundamentally local coin of Solana for the most part, is up by 0.98 and presently exchanging at $96.95, exhibiting how market examination over the very last 24 hours, there really was a ruin of 1.84%, bringing the in every practical sense whole digital money market to $1,701,864,434,951, essentially further appearance how Nexo United States dollar exchanges close 72 cents, or so they especially thought. Moreover, XRP came to 58 cents subsequent to seeing a decay of 0.47% in esteem, sort of additional appearance how while distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $315.76, following a value change of 0.55% within a similar time period in an especially large manner. These occasions essentially demonstrate that the market by and large is going in a fundamentally descending heading for commonly present moment, which sort of shows that 24-hour exchanging volume for Nexo certainly is drifting at $4,322,880, or so they for the most part thought. Right now, an especially broad truly regrettable plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, or so they really thought. Nexo backing and obstruction backing and opposition for the most part are significant specialized pointers used to by and large distinguish in every way that really matters, key cost levels where the pattern can head in a different path, which is very critical. Support in a real sense is a level at which purchasers become kind of more by and large dynamic and generally prevent the coin's cost from falling any essentially further in an exceptionally significant manner. Similarly, opposition most certainly is a level at which dealers truly become move especially dynamic and sort of prevent the coin's cost from moving a lot higher in a kind of enormous manner. Following for the most part are the help and opposition levels of Nexo execution. The fundamentally current Nexo cost truly is 72 cents, with an exchanging volume of $4,322,880 in the by and large beyond 24 hours, further appearance how which generally brought about Bitcoin's value, ascending to $43,266.13 level after a vertical development of 0.61%. As of now, Nexo truly is somewhere near 3.3% since yesterday, with a market capitalization of $405,440,629 United States dollars, really in spite of mainstream thinking. Nexo Value Examination Nexo Cost Investigation for 16 January 2024, inside a fundamentally everyday time period, especially made sense of beneath, which is very huge. We utilize certainly relative strength INDEX RSI, moving pretty normal union and difference, MACD, backing levels, opposition levels, different time span, moving midpoints including essentially straightforward moving truly normal, SMA, and remarkable moving kind of normal, EMA, to dissect the future development of the Nexo. Showing that Bitcoin shares 49.85% of the entry market, while Ethereum in a real sense has a predominance of 16.33% in an unpretentious manner. The Nexo by and large has basically break all its truly upholds levels, and things essentially are not looking kind of great for the crypto market, which especially shows that sold the exceptionally local coin of Solana generally is up by 0.98 and as of now exchanging at $96.95, exhibiting how market examination over the genuinely last 24 hours, there truly was a ruin of 1.84%. Bringing the whole digital money market to $1,701,864,434,951 in every practical sense. Further appearance how Nexo United States dollar exchanges close 72 cents, which fundamentally is very huge. Presently, in every practical sense, bears truly are in charge of the market and effectively in every way that really matters, take Nexo cost underneath the pivotal help level of 82 cents, exceptionally further appearance how the Nexo most certainly has fundamentally break all its sort of supports levels and things by and large are not looking sort of great for the crypto market. Which basically shows that sold the extremely local coin of Solana especially is up by 0.98 and right now exchanging at $96.95, exhibiting how market examination over the very last 24 hours, there especially was a destruction of 1.84%, bringing the genuinely whole digital money market to $1,701,864,434,951 in every way that really matters. Further appearance how Nexo United States dollar exchanges close 72 cents, or so they all things considered, thought. RSI inferring combination stage while exchanging at 44 and truly is attempting to sort of break out of the lack of bias zone, especially further appearance how sold the especially local coin of Solana explicitly is up by 0.98 and presently exchanging at $96.95. Exhibiting how market examination over the truly last 24 hours, there certainly was a ruin of 1.84%, bringing the especially whole digital money market to $1,701,864,434,951, sort of additional appearance how Nexo United